Now this is sort of the cardinal accounting formula to understand, at least in terms of the balance sheet. This is a big one. This is the balance sheet formula. And what it says is that the far left-hand side, assets equals the liabilities plus the owner's equity. When you're talking about the balance sheet and you're talking about balanced operations, this is the equation they're talking about. Does the left-hand side, assets, always equal the liabilities plus the equity? Now, the way that I learned this is actually assets minus liabilities equals operating equity, or excuse me, owner's equity, which might be an easier way to think about it. It is for me. The idea being that you have assets, so things you have, and you take away liabilities, which are things you owe, and at the end of it you have what's left over, which is the actual value of the overall business. That is the net value. That is the value after we've already taken out everything we've owed, we paid off all of our debts. What do we have left over? That's the actual value of it. And that's called owner's equity. If you have a house, it's the same idea. What you have is the house, the liability is the mortgage, the equity is what's left over. And each of those accounts are going to have a number of series associated T accounts for each individual type of asset, liability, and equity that you can have. And remember, on the asset side, debits increase it, credits decrease it. On the liability side and on the equity side, debits decrease it, credits increase it.